You may be eating garlic the wrong way and causing your body some harm instead of reaping the benefits of this superfood. In this video, we'll share 8 common mistakes people make when eating garlic and how to avoid them. Make sure you stay till the end, because mistake number 7 is one most people don't even know about. Let's get right into it. Mistake 1. Eating garlic on an empty stomach. Eating raw garlic on an empty stomach might seem like a good idea to maximize its benefits, but it can cause irritation. Garlic is highly potent, and for some people, consuming it without food can lead to nausea, heartburn, or even stomach pain. If you're sensitive to garlic, it's best to eat it with meals. Pair it with a small snack or include it in your dishes to protect your stomach while still reaping its benefits. Mistake 2. Not crushing or chopping garlic. Here's a science-backed tip. To get the full power of garlic, you need to crush or chop it. This is because when garlic is crushed, a chemical reaction takes place that releases allicin, its most potent and beneficial compound. Allicin is responsible for many of garlic's health benefits, including its antibacterial and immune-boosting properties. So, if you're eating whole garlic cloves, you're missing out on its magic. Always crush or chop your garlic and let it rest for about 10 minutes before cooking to activate allicin. Mistake 3. Cooking garlic at high temperatures. Many people unknowingly destroy garlic's nutrients by cooking it at high temperatures. Allicin, the key compound in garlic, is heat-sensitive and breaks down quickly when exposed to high heat. If you fry or roast garlic for too long, you're losing most of its health benefits. Instead, cook it on low heat or add it toward the end of cooking to preserve its nutrients, while still enhancing your dish's flavor. Mistake 4. Using old or sprouting garlic. Old or sprouting garlic is still edible, but it loses potency over time. Sprouting garlic contains fewer health-boosting compounds, and the flavor becomes more bitter. For maximum benefits, always use fresh, firm garlic. A simple test? Fresh garlic should feel firm to the touch and have no green shoots or wrinkled skin. If it's sprouting, you can still use it in cooked dishes, but don't rely on it for its full nutritional impact. Mistake 5. Relying only on garlic supplements. Supplements are convenient, but they can't replace the real thing. Fresh garlic contains a complex mix of nutrients and enzymes that work together to provide its full range of benefits. Most supplements are processed, which may reduce the effectiveness of its key compounds like allicin. Whenever possible, opt for fresh garlic in your meals to get the most out of its health-boosting properties. Mistake 6. Overeating garlic. Garlic is healthy, but like anything, too much of it can backfire. Overeating garlic can cause bad breath, body odor, digestive upset, and even thin your blood too much, which is risky if you're on certain medications. For most people, 1 to 2 cloves per day are enough to enjoy its benefits, without side effects. Remember, more isn't always better. Mistake 7. Ignoring allergies or sensitivities. Garlic is natural and healthy, but not everyone tolerates it well. If you experience symptoms like bloating, skin rashes, or stomach discomfort after eating garlic, you might have a mild sensitivity or allergy. It's always a good idea to test how your body reacts to garlic and adjust your intake accordingly. If symptoms persist, consult a doctor. Mistake 8. Improperly storing garlic. Improper storage can reduce garlic's shelf life and nutrient content. Garlic needs to be stored in a cool, dry place with good air circulation. Avoid storing whole garlic in the fridge, as moisture can make it spoil faster. Instead, keep it in a mesh bag or a garlic keeper to ensure it stays fresh for weeks. Garlic is an incredible addition to your diet, but only when you avoid these common mistakes. By crushing it, cooking it gently, and using it fresh, you'll maximize its health benefits. Which of these mistakes surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more wellness hacks that make healthy living simple. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.